There's the baby Jesus. It's the baby Jesus. Yeah. And Joseph, his daddy. And Mary is his mommy. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Good, you got it. Thank you. Do you like it? Uh-oh. Do you like it? You see, that's a camel. Yeah, it's a camel. It's Joseph and the baby Jesus. The baby Jesus. You know Jesus, don't you? Yeah, how's he taste?